In our today's tutorial, I want to show you how to remove no data value from satellite image. So to do that, I will go to my ArcGIS catalog, okay? Then navigate to the folder that I have the image, okay? So I want to use band 4 to do the illustration. So I will bring in the band 4 to my ArcGIS interface, okay? So you can see where we have the no data value, the black portion in the image, that is the no data value. You can see where we have the no data value, okay? So to remove the no data value, I will still go back to my ArcGIS catalog, then go to the image. I will click on the band 4, then scroll down to properties, okay? Then when this interface popped up, I will come down to no data value, then click on edit, click on compute, then this value you popped up, I will reduce the value to 0. I will clean it. I will clean the value and put 0. After doing that, I will click on OK, apply and OK again, okay? So I will go back to that same image and bring in the image to confirm whether the no data value is still in the image. So I will uncheck the previous one, okay? So you can see that the no data value is no longer in the image. So guys, that is how to remove no data value from satellite image, okay? You can see that the no data value is no longer in the image, okay? So please guys, do well to hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment, and share the videos to others so that others can also benefit from it, just as you are doing right now. Thank you very much. See you again in my next tutorial.